How you like that? You gon' like that? Da 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 da. Like that? Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. How you like that? Da 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 da. Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me.
Okay, so pretty much to start my wash day, I'm starting off on old dirty hair. I think I haven't washed my hair in like 8 days or something like that. I typically go no longer than 10 days before I have to wash my hair, or else my scalp will get very dry and my hair will be very dry. Ooh, sorry. So right now I'm just saturating my hair, making sure it's completely wet, getting it ready to be shampooed. But yeah, here you can see I'm just making sure that all of my hair is wet. Never shampoo on dry hair. I never shampoo on dry hair. I also think that letting the water run through your hair first helps to get through some of the tangles and can help get some of the dirt and loosen some of the debris. So now I'm going in with my favorite shampoo, which is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Girl, that is the wrong way. Oh wow, okay. Anyways, this is my OG favorite shampoo ever because I feel like it really cleanses your scalp but it doesn't make your hair feel dry. And I like my scalp to be clean. I like my hair to be clean because I do go a while before I wash it. And I do put a lot of oil on my hair. And I feel like this gets rid of all the product buildup. And I've been using this for like 4 years. So here I'm just saying how I only use my fingertips to massage my roots and I don't put the shampoo all over my hair. I really just focus it on my scalp because I feel like it'll get your ends really dry, and I just kind of let the rest of it run down to cleanse it, and I'm here doing kind of like the prayer adherence method. So now that my hair is all clean, I'm gonna just separate it so you can see me tying up one half of my hair, and then I'm gonna split it into another section. And here I am just wetting that section because when you're deep conditioning, you are trying to get the most hydration and moisture in your hair. So it's really important to start on super wet hair. So I'm just wetting my hair again, making sure my ends are saturated, kind of finger detangling a bit. Water, water, water. People are always telling me they have dry hair, and I'm like, you're probably not using enough water. So now I'm going in with my green tea and fenugreek deep conditioner, excuse me. And the consistency of this is so smooth and gelatinous. It's not like creamy like you would think, but it provides so much slip and so much moisture into your hair. It just goes right into your hair, like melts into it. And it smells really sweet. But it also has lavender, rosemary, and peppermint essential oil because we're trying to do that growth, stimulate that growth, also locking in that moisture. So green tea really will strengthen your hair follicles, and so does the fenugreek, but the fenugreek is really to promote growth, and also that's what's providing that slip. This product also has honey and marshmallow root and a lot of other really great ingredients. So you saw me before finger detangling, which is typically what I do on wash day, but I was really just kind of pulling apart some tangles. And just for the purpose of this video, I use a comb, which you can see me trying to figure out how to use it because I do not really use combs and brushes on my hair often. But I just want to show you how easily you can glide through type 4 hair if you're using the right kind of moisturizing products with enough slip. So I'm just kind of coming up close so you can see my curls. The brush really clumped them together, but I need a trim, y'all. If you're having trouble going through your ends, It's time for a trim. Yes, it's time for me to get a trim. So now I'm just going in with my herbal hair growth oil. I never skip this step when I'm deep conditioning. One, not only am I trying to seal in that moisture I just put on my hair, but also this oil has so many great benefits for your hair, strengthening, repairing, preventing split ends, and later on, you'll see me massage it into my scalp too. So just sealing in that moisture with my growth oil, and now I'm going to twist up my hair. Every section that I do, I twist it up when I'm done. It just helps me to keep my hair detangled and out the way. I had to mute the music I was jamming to because I didn't want to get copyrighted. So now I'm just going to do the same thing on another section of hair. Which is looking struggling after I just pulled it out of that little ponytail thing. So like here, I did not re-wet my hair. I don't know why I did not re-wet my hair. Maybe I thought it was already wet. Maybe I did it off camera. Oh yeah, somebody called me. Sorry. So here I am again, just working that product into my hair. Going in with my growth oil. Also, if you feel like you are having really big tangles before a wash day, I would do a hot oil treatment with the herbal growth oil. And also, I would put it on before you detangle if you feel like that section is really going to give you some trouble, because this oil does provide some slip. I have never said that about an oil before, but for some reason when I detangle with this oil, I feel like it helps my fingers glide right through my hair. So I wanted to speed it up because y'all know the deal. I wet my hair, I'm applying the product, working at it with my hands, using the comb, starting from the bottom all the way to the top. Trying to get my other hair from falling into my face and in my section. I still can't find my clips, y'all. Okay, so now I'm just starting on the other side. I already applied the product off camera. So now I'm just working that through, kind of lightly finger detangling again. Trying to find any large tangles before I go through with the comb. I was looking for the comb and I realized it was on the floor. So now I'm just showing you guys up close, just splitting my hair up so I can detangle again. This is one of those combs or brushes that like is supposed to be flexible, and I'm not sure, I didn't put that little piece at the back of it. I really did not know how to use it. But as you can see, my hair is so moisturized. My curls are so defined with my green tea and fenugreek deep conditioner and by Grow and Glow Beauty. So here I'm just taking any excess product and massaging it on my scalp and massaging it into my edges. Here, sometimes I suffer from some dermatitis and I'm regrowing my edges right there. So that's why I'm massaging it there. And so you guys are probably like, where's the rest of the video? Me too, guys, me too. I don't know what happened to the rest of the video footage I recorded. I used the app to record this for the first time, and I'm not sure if I did something or the app just didn't save all of it. Maybe it was too long, I'm not sure. But what was missing was pretty much how I just used 2 plastic bags on top of my head, and before that, actually, I massaged some more growth oil on my scalp for a few minutes, and then I put the plastic bags on, and then I put a t-shirt on top of that, and I just finished up what I was doing in the shower, and then I got out the shower to save water, and that ended up being 30 minutes total of deep conditioning, and then after that, I just rinsed like normal and then did my normal routine. But yeah, I'm sorry that that footage is gone. I didn't get to show you guys the rest of my routine. But if you're interested in using the products that I use or checking out some more info about the products I use in the video, you can find out how to purchase those and some more information at Grow and Glow Beauty on Instagram. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, leave a comment, a like, and thanks for watching.